Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this special chicken spaghetti jollof. You guys, if you try this one, it will be on repeat in your house. So let's get right into it. To begin, you'll be needing your chicken. I used the chicken breast for this recipe, and because I want this tutorial to be as detailed as possible, I'll walk you through the process of prepping my chicken. So I've gone ahead to remove the skin, and now I'm showing you how I deboned the chicken breast. Just go in with your knife, make sure your knife is sharp enough though, and then just cut basically on the bone so you don't mess up the fleshy parts that we need. Once we are done with that, go ahead and cut your chicken breast into two, and you're going to slice it into biteable sizes. I'm going for the striped thin shape just because I want it to look like the spaghetti we are cooking, but you can slice this into any shape that you like, but this is what I want. So I'll be seasoning this with a combination of garlic, ginger and onion powder, some thyme, curry powder and some seasoning powder. So I'll just give this a good mix until the seasoning is evenly distributed, and once that is done, I'll go ahead and marinate this for about an hour. You can marinate yours longer depending on how much time you have. So to the veggies, I used some red bell peppers, and I'm going to be slicing this to get that long thin shape like our chicken and spaghetti. So I'm just trying to remove the inner part of the pepper, chop off the top and the bottom, and just open it up and take out the seed and the inner part. And for the top, open it up like you see me do and just take out that part. Yes, this part. And you are going to slice this. And if you have access to the green and yellow bell pepper, please use it for this recipe and build more color and flavor for your meal. And I'll also be dropping the list of the ingredients I used in the description box, so do check it out. And once we are done with that, we move over to the carrots. Go ahead and clean your carrot very well, scrape it and wash it, then cut the top and bottom part of it. There's a particular shape I want to get with this carrot, so I'm just dividing. I've gone ahead to divide this. So I'll be using the bottom part of this cutter to get that beautiful shape that I want. So I'm just dividing it properly so it will be easy for me. I like the shape that this cutter gives. It's not regular and I like it. It just gives more beauty to your meal. So if you like it, you can get it from your local market or supermarket. And when we are done with that, over to our green beans. So I'll be cutting these green beans not so tiny, just a little bit long, because I couldn't get the green pepper, so I want something green to be obvious in the food. So just like this. And over to our spaghetti. So in a pot of boiling water, I've gone in some salt, some vegetable oil, and I'll just put in our spag. You guys, don't break your spag, just leave it to cook this way. It comes out really well this way, and after about 6 to 7 minutes, your spag should be ready. Don't overcook so that it will still be firm by the time you're using it. So go ahead and strain this, and in same pot I'm going in with some vegetable oil, and I'll let that heat up. And when it's all heated up, I'll go in with some chopped onion. Yes, some chopped onion, and then our marinated chicken, you guys. So we are going to fry this chicken until it's a little bit brown. So we are going to keep frying until we achieve that. And you guys, if you want this process to be faster, you can fry in batches. So you don't have to put everything like I'm doing. You can fry that in batches. As you can see, it has released some juice, so I'm going to keep frying until it drinks up the juice and begin to fry. And please stir this constantly so everything can fry beautifully together. As you can see, it's now looking brown and our chicken is ready, so I'll just take it off the heat. And in same pot, I'll go in with some more oil and I'll allow that to heat up. And then I'll go in with some chopped onion and fry for some seconds to let it release its fragrance. Then I'll go in with some tomato paste, you guys, and I'll fry this for some minutes until it begins to taste sweet or it's properly incorporated in the oil like this. And then I'll go in with the pepper mix. This pepper mix had already been prepared and stored in my freezer. It's a combination of fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, cayenne pepper, some garlic and ginger. So I discovered that the oil was not enough. I went in with some more oil. And now I'll be going in with some blended dry scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger and onion powder, and some seasoning powder. I'll give this a good mix. I'll also be going in with some water to break this up, after which I'm going to cover and allow to cook for at least 10 minutes. And after about 10 to 15 minutes, you can see that the oil is beginning to float at the top. So you can taste and adjust with seasoning at this point. After which we'll be going in with our fried chicken. And we're going to stir this and go in with the rest of the veggies. And you can see how thick our base is looking. You don't need so much water when making the base for your spaghetti, so it can retain its sweetness and it doesn't come out soggy, like it doesn't drink up water in the end. You can only add some pasta water, of course, to just break it up a little, but you don't need so much water, you guys. So I'm just going to stir this properly and allow it to fry for at least 5 minutes so the veggies can cook as well. After which we'll be going in with the main ingredient, our spaghetti. Going with your spaghetti and you're going to take your spatula, your picker, whatever you have, and you guys, you're going to mix this really well. This may take a little time because you really need to mix this, make sure that everything, the veggies, the chicken, everything is evenly distributed. So just mix. And after you've done that, your spaghetti jollof is ready, you guys. This recipe is a must try, I must tell you the truth. This is one yummy dish you want to make for yourself and for your whole family. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, drop me a nice comment. Until I come your way next, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.